Most people move through life without ever realizing the tiny, silent moments where everything begins to shift. Because life doesn't collapse with dramatic noise, it collapses quietly, slowly, invisibly. Through small habits we ignore, through little promises we break to ourselves, through emotional wounds we avoid healing, through subtle decisions that seem harmless in the moment but gradually accumulate into a life that feels heavy, confusing, and disconnected. Yet, in this same quiet and subtle way, life also rebuilds itself through small, consistent habits that begin as gentle whispers of change but eventually grow into the foundation of a stronger, wiser, more intentional version of you. These habits are seed-like in their nature, tiny, humble, almost invisible at first, but once planted, they take root in the deepest parts of your identity. And while you may not feel their impact immediately because transformation never arrives with fireworks, it begins internally, silently, while you continue moving through your days unaware that something powerful is awakening inside you. As the days turn into weeks and the weeks turn into months, these small habits start weaving a new pattern into your life, creating a version of yourself who sees differently, chooses differently, moves differently, and believes differently. The 2-minute reset ritual teaches your mind that chaos does not define you, that you have the power to pause, breathe, reset, and regain control no matter what life throws your way. Writing one simple line each day becomes a mirror you hold up to your soul, revealing what you feel, what you fear, what you hope for, and what you are slowly becoming. The 5-minute morning body wake-up reminds you that energy is a choice, that movement awakens strength, and that your body can pull your mind into momentum even when motivation feels absent. The 30-second courage rule trains you to act even when afraid, breaking the cycle of overthinking that has held you back for years. In those 30 seconds, you step into a new identity, that identity of someone who does not wait for confidence but creates it through action. A small daily digital detox frees your attention from the noise and comparison of the world, giving your mind the space to breathe, to dream, to imagine, and to reconnect with your own voice. A single act of kindness each day softens your heart, expands your empathy, and transforms your emotional world from within, reminding you that your presence matters more than you think. 10 minutes of daily learning nourishes your mind with possibility and growth, sharpening your thoughts, expanding your perspective, and building a quiet momentum that shapes your future in ways you can't yet see. The evening shutdown ritual becomes a gentle emotional cleansing, releasing the tension, confusion, and weight you collected throughout the day so you can rest with clarity and rise with purpose. The 1% rule teaches you the truth that greatness is not built in overwhelming leaps but in small, consistent steps, repeated day after day, shaping a strength that nothing can shake. And the morning silence becomes the sacred space where your mind resets, your spirit breathes, your intentions align, and your connection to your higher self becomes stronger and clearer. When all these tiny habits merge, not loudly, not dramatically, but quietly and consistently, they begin transforming you from the inside out. You begin thinking with clarity instead of confusion. You begin taking action instead of hesitating. You begin choosing discipline over distraction. You begin valuing growth over comfort. You begin letting go of the past and stepping into the future with a sense of courage you didn't know you had. You stop abandoning yourself. You stop betraying your potential. You stop shrinking your dreams to fit your fears. And slowly, almost without noticing the exact moment it happens, you realize you have changed. Your mindset feels stronger. Your heart feels lighter. Your purpose feels louder. Your direction feels clearer. The person you once hoped to become, the disciplined one, the confident one, the brave one, the peaceful one, the focused one, no longer feels far away, because you are becoming them, quietly, steadily, patiently, through tiny habits that rebuild your life piece by piece, day by day, moment by moment, until the strongest, calmest, most powerful version of you finally rises from within, unshakable, unstoppable, undeniable.